Hey everyone, we are headed over the Mackinac Bridge in the dark. If you're afraid of heights and don't like driving over the bridge, nighttime is the perfect time. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Beautiful in the day, beautiful at night. Here's tower number 2, going north. What lane do you prefer? You like the inside or the outside?
I like the outside. I do not like the grates.
Oh yeah.
I like driving on the grates.
Right, we are at tonight's destination. It is St. Ignace KOA. Pulling in the dark.
Kind of our MO.
Yeah, kind of our MO, and it's not really my favorite thing to campgrounds that we've never been to before. Looks like they've got a pool here on the left at the main house. We'll have to look at this stuff in the daylight. Good morning. It is the next morning here at our campsite, and I thought I'd show you around. So this is the St. Ignace KOA, and this is the spot we have. At the moment, I don't remember what number we are, but I'll let you know in a couple minutes here. Can you say trees? Now, not every site is like this, and this is a full hookup site. Down here, there are some starting next to us and all the way down the middle row here. This is the row when you first enter the park. These are their, I'll call them premium pull-throughs with patios. Ours is the first one. We don't have a patio, which was fine with us, and we do have full hookup. But man, do we have trees. The one next to us is a little bit more open than ours. And these guys have a lot of trees too. So it's really not my favorite thing, although morning sun right now has been giving us some good shadows with these trees. So I like being in the shadows and keeping the motorhome cooler with that, but I really don't like touching. You can see we're touching some branches. Not my favorite. So far, we are liking the campground. Look at this. This is the site next to us. They have a fire pit section and a whole nice concrete patio. So I might consider this next time coming through here. Do one of these if I can get one. Okay, I am at site number 21 right here on the electrical box. So here we are, site 21. At the St. Ignace KOA. They've got their pool open still. Look at this. Ooh, we might have to check this out later today. And then the putt-putt over there. Looks really good. They're doing some work on it. Looks like they're painting. And the front side of it here. All along these pretty daisies. I think these are daisies. Ooh, that's a honeybee. They got honeybees around here. That one's not. That one was over there. And here's their office. And inside it you can rent the clubs and balls and stuff for the putt-putt. So this is where you enter right here. And you come around this way. This is what you saw last night and go down that line. We're going to go check out something cool. This is a surprise. So I wanted to bring you guys by this little surprise here at the KOA. Check this out behind me. Look at that. They have 2 teepees that you can rent and stay in. And we got permission to go inside one of these to show you around. Let's go. This is the one we're going to get into. I'll call it the Eagle. I'm sure it's got its name, but this has a beautiful eagle on the front. Got an eagle and a horse on it. Look at that. All right. Here's the door. I don't have it open all the way. I've just got to open a little bit for me to crawl in here. We're going to check it out. Here we go. Wow. Oh, it smells good in here. So there's a double and a single and another double. I guess you can fit 5 people. They've got some lights and a dream catcher hanging. Oh, this is so cool. The rain has got to sound awesome in here. Nice wood floors. Little native looking carpet here. Got a couple side tables. Well, this is a place to sleep and a roof over your head. You'll have to bring everything else. You've got it protected. And this feels like it's a super thick canvas. This is one of the coolest things I've ever been in. So cool. You guys are going to have to rent one of these sometime. Go camping in the teepee. All right, let's get out of here. See if I can squeeze out the little hole. I made it. All right. Who wouldn't want to camp in one of these things? Come on. Well, we're getting ready to break camp. We're all slid in and just about ready to go. And I thought I would do some more video because it's just a beautiful day. Where's that sunshine? Am I getting that sunshine on here for you? It's a beautiful day. We're going to go explore a little bit. I love looking at motorhomes. That thing, look at that Prevost. That is beautiful. And then right here we've got 2 Tiffins in a row. And this little Class B, maybe it's a B plus Tiffin. You don't see these very often. That's kind of a unicorn. Right next to a Tiffin Allegro. They're just beautiful. All right, we're going to go check out this building ahead of me. I'm going to go see what the bathrooms look like. Here we are. All right, no one's in here. I already checked. Make sure. Yes, this is beautiful. It's way bigger than it looks. So we've got 1, 2, 3 restrooms, 3 showers. That one's out of commission, so 2 bunch of sinks. It is pretty clean. Yeah, they're doing a really good job in here. So nice bathrooms. I'd probably give them an A on that. Okay, let's get out of here. Please turn the lights off when you leave. Turn the lights off. Be a good citizen. Okay, now what I haven't shown you yet. Oh, here's a dump station. There's a dump station right here, and there's also a dump station way at the front of the park. And I have not shown you yet. There's camping all back through here. I think there are 1, 2, 3, 4 streets. They've named them all. And just a ton of campsites way in the back that you almost don't think are here, but they're here. This campground also has tenting areas, and it has many more cabins like this. It's got a section, I think I saw a section of like 4 or 5 in a row, which are really cool. Yeah, so you can camp however you want to camp here. If you're tenting, if you got a big rig, if you want to rent cabins. It's really bright out here. Oh, something else. They also have a dog run, or maybe you want to call it a dog park, but there's no equipment. It's just a place for the dogs to kind of hang out. So they have that too. Not all KOAs have that, but this one does. So I would definitely stay here again. This is a really nice park. It's very quiet. As with any park, they get full on the weekends. But in the middle of the week here, there's plenty of spots if you just want to pop in on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday night. You're pretty much guaranteed to get a spot here. So yeah, come check it out. One more little glimpse of the teepees. How you doing, Ames? Are we almost there?
Just gotta hook up the tire monitor.
Okay, let's hook up the tire monitor. Here. Tire pressure monitoring system. We have it. Very important. Hook up black to black. A little alligator clip. Right there. And then red to red. I can get it. And then as soon as that hooks up, the little green light goes on. And we can see what's going on. We can see what's going on with our tires. All right, ready to go?
Yep. Ready to go.
Did you like the campground?
Other than the spot being squishy, yes.
Yes, the spot is squishy. We're gonna back out to get out of here, right?
Yes.
Okay. I do not want to run into these trees right here, which we will do if we pull forward. So we'll be backing out. All right, we're gonna back her up. Get out of here without touching too many trees. Okay, now start turning. So here's the little tire minder thing that we have. That's the brand. It's up here. Can you see it? There it is, tire minder. So you tap through and it tells you the pressure and the temperature of each tire. So that's 66 degrees, 117 PSI on that driver's side tire right where Amy is. Oh, right where Amy is. Look at that view. Look at that. God, we go by here once or twice a year and it's just so beautiful every single time. Clouds are so poofy and pretty today. Well, we've made it to our next destination. You'll have to stay tuned and watch the next video to see where we are. But we have had a wonderful time. Whatever you do,
Wherever you go,
always have a safe RV journey.